This is this amazing set of Be.Ful bath bombs, and they are not like any other bath bomb because they are CBD infusion. And this is the packaging that it comes with, 4 bath bombs. And CBD is pure, all-natural extraction from the cannabis plant that has remarkable healing properties. And unlike THC, CBD is completely non-psychoactive, so it will not get you high. And it's effective for relieving stress, anxiety, also depression, reducing chronic pain and inflammation, improves heart health, helps prevent diabetes, and it also says it reduces acne, fighting epilepsy, and MS. So it has a lot of healing properties, natural healing properties to be exact in it. And each balm contains up to 50 milligrams of active CBD compound. I have already used the eucalyptus one and I absolutely just love it. It was so relaxing, such a great scent, and I just really loved it. And after I'm done talking about this, in this video I'm going to show me actually using it in the bath. I just can't say enough on how much I actually truly love it. I'm going to be buying some more. And this is the orange bath bomb, which is peach scented. And peach has a healing staple in the Chinese culture for thousands of years. It's known as the fruit of immortality. And it relieves stress, strengthens immunity, promotes hair growth, and is acne prevention. And it smells amazing too. So it's just really great just to have your own relaxing time as well. Another bath bomb that is inside here is this purple one, which is lavender. It's highly prized for its relaxing properties, and it fights anxiety, reduces pain, promotes sleep, heightens skin repair, and even alleviates PMS symptoms. And this one smells amazing too. And all in all, I really give these a 10 out of 10 because they are my favorite bath bombs I've ever had in my entire life. And the last one in the box is blue, which is vanilla. And the pods were used medically by indigenous people. And today, vanilla reduces stress, speeds healing, reduces inflammation, treats acne, improves hair health, and also protects your heart. So if you are interested in buying this amazing CBD Be.Ful bath bombs, check out the link below. You can go ahead and buy them. Don't forget to like up this video and share it. Thank you so much for watching, and get yourself some CBD Be.Ful bath bombs. I'm going to be showing you the Be.Ful bath bomb with CBD infusion, and it is going to be this one. This is the eucalyptus one that is native to Australia and used for centuries by the Aboriginal tribes for its healing properties. Eucalyptus is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antispasmodic deodorant which helps lowers blood sugar and improves hair health. So I am going to place this in the water and just simply relax. As you can see, it has an amazing fizz to it, which is very relaxing in of itself, which I am so excited to get into this warm bath with this bath bomb. So I'm going to meditate on my personal strength, maybe even light a candle. So I am so excited. And if you are interested in buying this amazing set of bath bombs with CBD infusion in them, don't forget to check out the link below and go ahead and buy them.